So if you actually mine this particular coin, which is called Notcoin, the hype is very, very high. So this particular Notcoin is a community-based airdrop, and it's you have to play game to actually earn this coin. So, and the good news is the fact that they are going to be launching this coin on different exchanges like MS Coin, like Bybit, OKS, and BingX. So on the 16th of this month. So if you actually miss the coin, probably you don't really mine it to earn from Notcoin. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn money right now when it's about to launch. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end. So we are going to be using Binance to actually make sure we earn money right now when the coin is going to be launched, so that we are going to get Notcoin and be able to make money. So the one we are going to use is called Launchpad. So if you don't have Launchpad in your Binance, you have to click on this more option. You can actually find the service over here. So you can actually locate Launchpad. So let's find Launchpad. So as you can see, this is Launchpad. We are going to click on it, and it's going to bring out some of the launches that is going to be launched anytime soon. So if you check, there are a lot of projects that have been launched in the past, like ArcArm. So this particular project was launched in the past. So right now we are only focused on actually farming Notcoin to actually make money off of it. So, and if you want to actually farm this particular coin, because it's going to be launching on 16, so they have like 3 days now for you to actually start the farming. So you can actually stake your BNB or FUSD pool. So I'm going to show you exactly how I can do that. If you are actually liking this video, I will encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that whenever I drop any video like this, you are going to be the first one to watch and implement my strategy. So for the case of this tutorial, I'll be using my BNB pool to actually do it. So you have to click on stake over here. So I'm going to show you something, so you should be very, very attentive. So as you can see, if you have FDU, you can use FDU, and if you have BNB, you can use BNB. So but I'm going to use BNB, so I'm going to click on purchase and show you one thing. So if you check, you can use different method to fund your BNB. So you can use P2P method, you can buy with your USDT, it's dollar rather, so you can use that one. But due to the fact that I don't have BNB already, so I'm going to show you exactly how you can convert your USDT to BNB. So let me go to home page to show you how you can do that. So I'm going to go back completely. So let me go to home, then so this is where we are going to see. So we are going to click on wallet over here. So as you can see, I have $83, which is in worth of USDT. So what you have to do is to actually click on this spot wallet. As you can see, convert low value asset to BNB. Are you seeing now? So you are going to click on it to actually convert all your USDT to BNB, because you can't actually stake your USDT to actually earn the coin. So you have to convert all your money to BNB. So I actually have USDT, which is about 67 USDT. So I'm actually going to convert BTC. So because I have little BTC, so as you can see, I've selected 2 coins I want to convert, which is going to give me 0.11 BNB. So I think they are going to charge me a fee. So I'm going to click on convert. So as you can see, this is the fee for the conversion, which is 2% fee, which is 0.00226. So I believe we can be able to make the money back whenever we get the coin back. So I'm going to click on confirm. And one good thing about this particular method is the fact that when the launchpad is finished, they are going to give you Notcoin, also give you your BNB money back. So let me go back, because we have successfully convert our coin to BNB. As you can see, we have 0.111 BNB. So and the equivalent is around $66. So let's go back to our launchpad. So go back to home, then you are going to click on launchpad. As you can see, I've already added launchpad to my menu start, so I'm going to click on launchpad. So then come over to the BNB session. So as you can see, you can use FDU, but we are actually concerned about using BNB. So we are going to click on stake over here, then find the option. So as you can see, we can actually stake right now, because we already have BNB in our wallet. So we are going to click on stake, then choose the entire amount. So we are going to stake the entire amount we have in our BNB, which is about 0.11 two. So that's okay, 0.12. So that's the total amount we have. So all we have to do is to actually click on stake, to actually stake this BNB to get Notcoin. So I'm going to click on stake, and it's going to stake automatically. So we have successfully staked our BNB to actually earn Notcoin. So one of the advantage of you doing this way is the fact that when this coin is going to be launching on the 16th, they are going to give you a share pool. Let me show you the share pool they want to share, not coin they want to share. So I'm going to go back again. So go back to Launchpad. So as you can see, they have to, the total current stake is about 13 billion, and the amount raised is about 186 million. So this project is going to be launching on the 16th. So ensure you stake your money right now, so that when this coin is going to be launched, you are going to get a cut of Notcoin and can convert it to USDT and make profit or forfeit. I hope this video actually help you one way or the other, because like you can actually make money with crypto without you needing to invest much, because this particular method doesn't really cost you anything. You are going to get your BNB back whenever the project is launched, and you are going to get Notcoin. You are actually convert it to USDT back. So ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that whenever I see any update that is working, I will actually share it with you, and you are going to be the first one to implement the strategy. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.